Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my husband's recipe for seafood marinara pasta. Hope you all enjoy watching. Back to the kitchen. To make the pasta into a saucepan, I added boiling water. I find it easier to boil the water and then add into a saucepan, saves time. Now for this we used linguine. I've used 1.5 packets of linguine here. Add a bit of olive oil to avoid clumping. These are the ingredients required. The seafood are separated depending on their cooking time. Into a wok, add oil, butter. Once it's hot, add the mussels. Add half a teaspoon of paprika, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well till the water evaporates. Take it off the wok and leave it aside. Then on to cooking the next set of seafood. This time he cooked the calamari and prawns. Paprika powder, salt per taste, and also ginger garlic paste. Avoid overcooking the seafood and take it off the pan and leave it aside. Now to that, add butter again and the rest of the fish. These are fish fillets that includes barramundi and salmon. And yet again the same seasoning, that's paprika powder, salt, paste and ginger garlic paste. Now moving on to making the sauce, to the same wok add around 25 grams of butter, chopped onions. Here we've used a combination of red and white onions. Once the onions are soft, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt and pepper per taste, then add capsicum and spring onions. We have used half a capsicum finely diced. Saute well. Then add in the spices, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a mix. Then add 1.5 cups of thick cream. My husband wanted it a bit more spicy, so he added a further 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Once the cream comes to a boil, now add the seafood, except for the mussels. Mix well. Then add around 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. When you notice that the mixture starts to thicken, add the cooked linguine. Mix it well. Now the pasta is ready. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Garnished with chopped dill and chives. And then topped it with the cooked mussels. Now, this recipe is not the healthiest pasta recipe you'll find, but it is one of the yummiest pastas that I've had. So please do give it a try. that's it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you again, take care. Bye bye.